Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Blink Dagger to an Arcane Blink in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to purchase Blink Dagger from the shop, like so. Now on the search bar, search for Arcane Blink. As you can see, Arcane Blink requires Blink Dagger, Mystic Staff, and Arcane Blink recipe. I already purchased Blink Dagger, and I'm going to purchase the Arcane Blink recipe. And this item called Mystic Staff can only be found in secret shops, which is right over here for Radiant and here for Dagger. I've sent my courier to get the item. Now the courier is going to deliver the item to me, and I'll have an Arcane Blink in my inventory. As you can see, I now have an Arcane Blink. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!